Hi friends, this video shows how to factory reset MetaQuest 3 headset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Open MetaQuest app. Tap on this app icon. I already connected this app to MetaQuest 3. That is why we are seeing MetaQuest 3 connected. Tap on this MetaQuest 3. Then tap on MetaQuest 3 here. Here select headset settings. Tap on headset settings. Then select advanced settings. Tap on advanced settings. Tap on factory reset. Please read this message. This will remove your account information and all downloaded games and content from this headset. Tap on reset. So that way we can reset this MetaQuest 3 headset. So this way we can factory reset or add reset MetaQuest 3 headset. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.